Welcome back to Pony Sparkle Toys, and today we are going to be reviewing two more 35th anniversary My Little Ponies. A few months ago I did review two 35th anniversary ponies, but now I'm reviewing more. I have got Firefly, Pegasus, and Glory the unicorn. Sorry for the glare. My Little Pony is a pretty pony with long shiny hair. She likes you to comb her hair so it stays silky and soft. You can braid her hair and tie it in a ribbon too. Look at all the ponies you can get at the back. Sunbeam, Moon Dancer, Firefly, Medley, Glory, and Twilight. Includes pony, comb, ribbon, and poster. Hopefully they will be better quality than the last ones, because those my last ones, their necks weren't on properly and the mane was kind of coming out. So we are so going to be opening them now. Okay, so here is Glory out of the packaging. Her mane was coming out a little bit, but that doesn't bother me, because with my other 35th anniversary ponies, they were a little bit more bad quality, but these ones that I got a few days ago are way more amazing. I love the glitter on her cutie mark. Beautiful. Just look at the glitter on her cutie mark. And she has a cutie mark on the other side. Just look at that beauty of her. She really reminds me of Rarity. She's just amazing. She's got blue eyes, she's got purple for her mane, and she's a white unicorn. But she has a bit of blue in her mane, and Rarity doesn't. And she has a ribbon. Because if you noticed about the 80s ponies, you could always tie a ribbon in their tail. But here, you can't really tie a ribbon because the ribbon's already tied. Her brush is like a shooting star, and it's pink and it's got a rainbow, but they're missing the colour violet and red. It's just orange, yellow, green, blue, and an indigo colour. It looks more lavender. But I really love her. I need to get more 35th anniversary ponies, like for my birthday or Christmas, or with my pocket money. Maybe I could even find Glory, the actual 80s version at PonyCon in October. That would be amazing to get the actual 80s version of Glory. Now we are going to move on to the poster. So let's see what the poster looks like. So adorable! Original 1983 collection. You can collect these and more. And look, there's Dream Castle. Dream Castle is awesome. I don't have the Dream Castle playset, but I've seen other YouTubers with Dream Castle. Firefly. If you guys did not know, Rainbow Dash from Generation 4 is based off of Firefly. That is really awesome. And I love her. She's a very bright pink, almost like my jumper, but my jumper's a bit more neon, and she's a bit more of a bright pink pastel color. But she's really awesome. Her mouth is open a bit. I'm not the biggest fan on the Pegasus wings for the Generation 1 My Little Ponies, but I wanted her anyway because I love the pinkness of her. And glittery cutie mark. They're like lightning bolts. That's probably why Rainbow Dash's cutie mark is a rainbow lightning bolt, or just pastel colours, because it's not the full rainbow. Awesome. Her brush is the same as Glory, except it's a darker pink. The darker pink almost matches her bow. Her ribbon is really pretty. These My Little Ponies are so awesome. I'm very, very impressed with Glory and Firefly. Please let me know in the comments if you have these two My Little Ponies. And I always say closer up at the end of the video. It's the end of the video, so let's have a close-up on them. I know you can kind of see me in the background, but I'm doing a different way of a close-up. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Glittery cutie marks. I love glitter on My Little Ponies. She's a unicorn, my favourite animal. She's pink, my favourite colour. Oh my god, these ponies are wonderful. Thank you for watching my video.